So let's now take a look at how we would modify one of the images. I'm going to go down to the team section here. Let's swap this image out. So we're going to go to our layers panel and we're going to make sure everything else is locked down just to make sure that nothing moves around. Select the content backgrounds and then I can select this one here. I can see that this is selected. I can see the scroll motion applied to it, and notice that we have mini preview of the fill here. So we're using a background image fill. I'm going to select the fill option here and I'm going to trash that image. So now it goes blank. I'm going to select this the file icon here, go to my desktop, choose that test image there, load that up, and we've got it set to scale to fill. And now if we preview this page, when we go down to the team section of the page, we'll then see this new image in place. And it really is as straightforward as that. So we'll click on team, and there we have our background image in place. So it's very straightforward to change these background images with just using the fill command.